Is your email just driving you out of your mind? Like every time you look for something, you can't find it, or it takes you a ton of time to find it, and time that you don't have to spare to start with. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 quick ways to start organizing your emails. Every little step you take is going to make a difference. My name is Sylvie Poitras. I am a time generator. I help you identify the time-consuming tasks that you have and show you how to simplify them. That frees up time for you to advance your projects faster or get new projects, which means more revenue or more time for yourself. So how do you start getting organized in your email? First, you create some simple triage folders. What I mean by that is, let's say you have an email in front of you, you're looking at it, and you actually have to do something. You're going to create an email, you're going to call it 0 to do. And why do you put a 0 in front of it? Because when you put a number in front of a folder, they'll show up first on your email list because they're all alphabetical, but numbers first. So it's going to save you a lot of time. You have something in front of you that needs to be done, but you don't have to do it right this second. Put it in 0 to do. You have an email that you have to read. You don't have to read it right now. You've got other things to do. You take it and you put it in 1 to read. You have an email that you have nothing to do, somebody else is going to respond. You're just waiting for them to respond. Then you're going to put it into 2 waiting. Flip the email in there. And you have one that you actually read, you need to keep it, you need to file it, but you don't have a folder for it right now. You're going to do that later. Put it into 3 to file. Get the idea here? You got to move them out of your inbox, because if you keep them in your inbox, then you just keep having to look at them all the time when it's not necessary. So how you SWYCit creating triage folders, well, you use the KISS principle. Keep it super simple. The goal is to help you clear your inbox faster and help you find them faster also. Next is using the triage folder. So how you're going to do that is you're going to always start with the new emails. You have all of these hundreds of emails. You're going to start with the new emails coming in, and then you're going to go and decide which of these 4 folders I just talked about, or whichever one you create and where they need to go. Then after that, when you don't have any new ones coming in, you start go with the ones that you're actually using, the ones you're reading, the one you're working on. Once you're done working on it, then you file it. And then after that, every day, take a few minutes, put a few minutes aside to go through the older emails one at a time, so you can actually flip them where they need to go so they don't stay in your inbox. So how do you SWYCit using the triage folders? Well, you always move new emails away from your inbox. Don't keep it in there. Clear it as fast as you can, whenever you can, and that's going to lower the number of emails that you have in your inbox, and it's going to help you find them, what you need to take care of in your folders on the left-hand side. The next thing is creating labels. I'm not going to show you how to create labels because there's too many email providers out there. So let's just say you're with a Gmail. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and go at creating email folders with Gmails, and you're going to get tons of videos that you can watch. Once you learn how to do that, then you can actually create your folders. You also want to look on how to create subfolders. For example, if you have a customer folder, then you want to be able to do types of customers under it. It's just an idea, because you want to be able to find your emails quickly. So how do you SWYCit creating labels? Don't complicate things. It's important for you to be able to find what you need. So name them what you need to name them. It's not about how other people name their folders. It's about what's going to make you find what you need fast. So today was about quick organization in your email. We talked about creating triage folders, how to use triage folders, and how to create labels. Actually look for Google, how to search, how to create your labels, and that should get you started. Remember, every little step you take makes a big difference in how much time it takes you to find your emails. If you like the video, click on like. If you know someone that could benefit from the information, click on share. If you want the PDF of the info, click on the link. And don't forget, if you have time-consuming tasks, find ways to SWYCit them.